Whoever's heard, you clearly care about them. I'm sure it's gonna be just fine.
We'll see.
You had another gun?
Sorry. Hey, I'd really like my rifle back now.
No, you have your pistol.
Hope you know how to use that thing.
I've had some practice.
No matter what, we have to keep them out. Let's hope they don't find him. Cover the windows.
Okay.
Be careful, shot count now.
I've done this before.
Infected! Get in here! Kid! Way to go, kid! You weren't kidding! You're a better shot with that thing than I am! Give me a hand with this. Help me with this thing.
Oh, come on!
Don't let him come in through the windows. More infected on this side. This is a big pack. They must have followed you.
Maybe they followed you and your friend.
Doesn't matter. Nice shot, kid. Nice going, kid. Kid! Screw it. We're getting out of this room. This way. Come on. I'll block their path. Cover the stairs. Follow me through here.
Okay. Do you know where you're going?
Never set foot in this place.
Oh, great.
It's clear. This way.
Right behind you.
How are you holding up?
You don't need to worry about me.
All right. Stay close. Hey, kid, you all right?
I'm fine.
More clickers. Get out of there! Come on. Door's this way. That was so close. We need to get up there. There. That ladder could work.
Here. Come here. Boost me up.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here. You be quick, and you keep a lookout for those things.
I know.
What's going on up there? Everything all right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Come on. All right, look out. Come on. Through here. We need to find a way out of here.
Oh, shit.
Watch your language.
Okay, old man.
There's gotta be a way out of here.
Jeez. Looks like someone already fought those things and lost.
Oh, Lord. I've been looking for these boys. Doesn't matter. Grab the gear. And we'll look for an exit. Keep your eyes open for anything we can use.
See anything?
It's a dead end. How on earth did they use this building?
So what do we do?
We hold our ground.
Is there any other choice?
We die.
Right.
Get ready.
You hear that? They're on the roof.
I know. Behind you. doing fine, kid.
It doesn't feel like it.
Here come more!
How many of these things are there?
I have no idea. Just keep at it. That doesn't sound good.
It's a bloater!
A what?
One of those big fucking guys!
To your left! Hey, kid.
Yeah?
You know, I think we did it.
Like we killed all of them?
Oh, don't sound so disappointed.
More like disbelief.
I'll check the bridge.